Congratulations on receiving your first 100 qualified responses. To review that survey data, head over to the Audience tab in the portal and see where your audience wants to go. The Audience tab is broken down into 8 key components, starting with qualified survey responses. This is the number of survey respondents age 18 plus with a budget exceeding $2,000, and they're the most likely to book the trip. Next, we have top destination. This is the destination that received the most votes. And over here, you'll find median budget. This is the price point that will fit best based on responses. This will be the most important data point to consider when choosing an itinerary, because we want to be inclusive of all qualified responses and choose an itinerary that will fit the budget of the largest percentage of your audience. It's important to note, starter tier hosts that price their trips at or below their audience's median budget are 3 times more likely to confirm their trip than hosts who price their trip above the median budget. And then we have time of year. This is a list of months that your audience would most like to travel, and this information will be helpful when choosing your trip start date. And then we have budget, a breakdown of your audience's travel budget. This will allow you to price your trip within your audience's budget while also maximizing your income goals when you set your margin. And next we have popular destinations. This is a list of the most popular destinations as indicated by your audience. These will be very helpful for considering alternative destinations in the event your top destination doesn't align with your overall audience needs. For example, if your top destination is too expensive or doesn't align with the time of year your audience can travel. Plus, this is a great place to start when planning future trips. And lastly, age and gender. These insights can be helpful in understanding your audience demographic that can help you plan and promote your trip. For example, an all-women's retreat to Bali. Look, we know that seeing a bunch of data can be a bit overwhelming, but there's no need to stress, because TrovaTrip is here to help. We're going to look at your data and give you the top 2 itineraries that fit your audience's requests, setting you up to successfully sell your first trip. Now that you know how to analyze your survey data and what to look out for in the perfect itinerary, head on over to the Itineraries tab and find your next trip.